I'm pretty sure I just need to invest in a DSLR wide lens so I can actually fit these in frame properly. G'day everyone, welcome to another video by myself, Andrew DFT. And today is a video that I've been excited for a few weeks now. Obviously it's no surprise that I've been in construction of the Apex Legends triple take. Actually the most recent video that I put out on the channel was the triple take in its raw form. If you didn't see that, I'd highly recommend checking it out, as I won't be really showing what the prop looks like in its raw form. Today it's showcasing the final piece, all painted up, looking fantastic, and it is one that I'm very excited for, and I did give a lot of attention into crafting this thing that I didn't actually put a lot of time into the behind the scenes or the making of, and I explain all that in the previous video, so I'd highly recommend at the end of this one checking that out. So this is it. Obviously it has the default skin, which at the end I decided was the most fitting. I definitely asked you in the previous video, as I was having problems with trying to figure out what paint job I wanted to do, or especially what skin I wanted to do, but ultimately I decided the default is the most iconic, and I decided to give it that nice kind of 2D effect, that 2D skin that I gave my Hemlock, which originates from the Apex Legends cinematic trailer where they had the cool, unique style, and I thought painting it up in that would look absolutely fantastic. And to be fair, I wasn't wrong. The black outlines really stand out on the nice green and grays. It gives it that 2D effect and really kind of sells this as a more impactful piece. Originally, I didn't have the 2D. I was just going to do it the, I guess, realistic form with just some white edges and some shading. But then after looking at it for a day, I decided that it didn't have that grandeur that I really wanted. I really wanted a piece that I could put in a photo on Instagram and everyone would look at and go, wow, that is awesome. How is that done? That is a very unique style. And well, that's ultimately what I went and did. The paint job in total took me about 5 to 6 hours to paint, and the actual construction of the gun was about 14 to 15 hours. So ultimately it's about a 20-hour project, which in the grand scheme of things is pretty quick. I mean, if you were to 3D print this, I think you'd be looking at maybe a 30-hour-ish print time. I don't know how fast some printers are these days, but still hand carving out of styrofoam was the way to go, and I'm extremely happy with the result. Now in terms of difficulty and creating this yourself, I will not be doing a tutorial for this. I didn't even film the B-roll for it, so therefore a tutorial is completely out of the question. I wouldn't even know how to go ahead and approach it. But if you do want to do it yourself, you can of course grab the templates for free of charge in the description box below. As well, I'll link all the other Apex Legends and Titanfall related props I've ever produced or given templates for, all down there in the description. Also, I will give this build a straight up 9 out of 10. It doesn't hit the 10 out of 10 mark. There were definitely aspects that I could have done a bit more on, and I know that I could if I was to do it again. So definitely it does sit at the 9 out of 10. It is very hard with an exclamation, but it's not impossible. And I'd highly recommend doing it if you have the skill, the patience, and I guess the drive to have one of your own. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a like and let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next, carved out of styrofoam. And if you have any friends that you think would enjoy this video, please share it with them, because the more views, the more content. Technically not, but then again, I spent a lot of time making these props, so having a lot of people seeing them is pretty fantastic. But until the next one, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.